So you gotta twist it and go like that. What the fuck? Oh, there it is. Oh, there it is. It was like that. Alright, let's see. So, wait, took that little panel off. Let's go underneath. Alright, cool. My hand is in there. And it's here. Okay, cool. Or when an ankle like this. So go like this. Turn it. No, shoot the other way. Like this. I think. Okay. My shoulders don't hurt. Alright, cool. Could I take out the glove box? I don't fucking know. Alright. Yeah, I'm upside down. You guys can't see much. I know. In there. Got that bitch in. Cool. Now in. Alright. Well, we good. We good in there. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it ain't coming out. Nice.